In this video, I'll show you how to add the app launcher in Salesforce Lightning so you can switch between apps faster and keep your navigation bar organized for daily work. Start by opening the Home tab and looking at the top right of the navigation bar for the small pencil icon, which opens the navigation editor where you control what appears across the top. Click Add More Items, then use the search field to find App Launcher and press the plus icon to include it in your list. After adding it, choose Add Nav Item and you will see it appear among your current tabs. You can then drag it left or right to position it where it fits your workflow best before clicking Save to apply the update instantly. If the pencil icon is missing, your profile permissions may restrict customization, and if App Launcher does not appear in search, confirm you are using Lightning Experience. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.